Hey, if you're running Google local service ads, there's a critical deadline you cannot afford to miss. Here's the situation. Google has updated the terms of service for local service ads, and if you don't accept the new terms by July 22nd, your ads could stop showing. That's not just a warning, it's a hard stop. No acceptance, no ads, no leads. Now I know terms of service updates don't sound exciting, but this one, it could directly impact your ad eligibility, your data usage, and how your business appears across Google platforms. Let's talk about what changed and what you need to do to stay compliant and competitive. First, Google is now explicitly stating that it can use content from your LSA profile, your customer conversations, and even your linked website content across other Google products. That could include everything from search features to other AI-driven results like Google's search generative experience. Second, Google is now opening up the ability to link your LSA account with other Google services, like your Google Business Profile. That might sound like a back-end thing, but it's actually huge for visibility and data sharing. It could improve your match quality, your ranking, and your integration across Google's ecosystem. Third, and this is critical, you must accept these new terms inside your account, or your ads will no longer be eligible to serve after July 22nd. If you manage multiple accounts via an MCC, you can do a bulk acceptance in the dashboard. And if you don't see the prompt, that might mean someone on your team already accepted them. Also, keep in mind some call recording restrictions still apply. If you're in healthcare or tax services, that hasn't changed. And if you're in the legal space, there's now a mandatory call whisper at the beginning of every LSA call that says, this call is not attorney-client privileged. That's Google's way of making sure consumers understand that speaking with you via LSA doesn't automatically make the conversation protected. So how do we move forward? Log into your LSA account, look for the acceptance prompt, or have your MCC admin accept it. Accept the terms of service by July 22nd, 2025. Because here's the deal. I've seen this happen before. A business forgets to click a box and their ad impressions tank overnight. And the worst part, they don't even realize it until their lead volume drops off a cliff. So if you rely on LSA to drive calls, messages, or bookings, make this a priority today. And by the way, if you want to make sure your entire Google ecosystem from LSA to Google Business Profile to your website is fully optimized and compliant, I put together a free audit that you can get by just texting the word audit to 619-304-5155. To wrap this up, accept the new TOS. Don't wait until the 21st. And check that your account is properly linked and your team is aware of the legal disclaimer changes, especially if you're in the law or healthcare verticals. And check out accelerateyourmarketing.com for more information. Thanks.